Guys, it's me again, and we're already here inside the boat, and it's past 12 o'clock, and they said the room is gonna be ready at 1:30. But in the meantime, what we're gonna do is we're going to discuss about what to do when you're going on a cruise, or what to do, or the preparation to go to the cruise. Okay, let's roll it down. Okay, guys. First rule is don't forget your personal identification. If you need a visa or whatever, or your travel gave you something or asked you to give you something like, your passport or your visa or your government ID, and always prepare that, because they might ask you when you go through the immigration or the customs. Okay, don't forget that. If you are traveling and you have your own prescriptions or your medication, do not take it off from the original bottle, because you might probably need it, or it's gonna be a lot easier for you to present it to the customs, because they don't have to ask what kind of medication is that, and they will not think that you are smuggling drugs in their country. So do not take it off from the original bottle. That's tip number 2. Tip number 3, bathing suits. Most cruise ships, they have their own pool and they have everything, and if you are traveling with the kids, you must have your own bathing suits, and make sure that it is in your hand carry or carry-on luggage, because if you forget your bathing suits and the kids saw the swimming pool, you will have a very unhappy kid with you. So don't forget your bathing suits. Make sure it's 2, because you need at least 2 for the whole trip. Okay, don't forget to bring flip-flops or comfortable shoes, because most of the time you will be just walking around, and you don't want to be walking on your dress shoes, and this is actually a cruise. It's a vacation, so you have to be very comfortable. Do not overpack, but make sure to bring your own extra shirts, extra shorts, or exercise shirts, because if you plan to go on the gym, they have their gym here, so you can work out using their gym. Dress shirt and dress pants, and of course dress shoes, because they have, I think that's every Friday, where they have this captain's night, where everybody have to dress properly or decent. You must have a decent attire. Of course, you don't need to wear those those coat and tie and ball gowns or whatever, because all you need to do is just to wear something that is nice, that is decent, like a cocktail dress, or a not really a party dress, but a a business casual. So that's gonna be it. So whatever it is that you wear when you go to church, so that is good enough. When you're out on the sea, it can be chilly, it can be cool, it can be cold because of the breeze. So don't forget to bring your own sweatshirt, even if it's during summer. It still can get cold, it can be nippy, because especially for those people who are not used to colder weather. So bring your own sweatshirt. You might need it, I'm telling you, because I got cold last night. Hats, visors, and sunglasses. Make sure you have this thing with you all the time because it can really be hot. Not really hot, but the sun can strike and it's gonna be intense. So I'm telling you, don't forget to bring your hats and your visors and your sunglasses to protect your eyes. And of course, make sure that the eyes is really protected because you don't want to get crinkly. I don't want to I don't want to look old when I'm in my 50s. So I'll make sure to it that I'll be wearing and artista glasses or celebrity eyeglasses, so it will protect the eyes and of course those around the eyes where you can actually see crow's feet. So make sure you wear something that is fully covering your face, of course, and don't forget your sunscreen and sunblock. Don't forget a beach bag. I got here a beach bag or a backpack. So ta-da! Okay, so whenever you go out in the, when you go to the port, because we'll be docking on the port and we'll be staying there for a couple of hours, so you will have the chance to walk around, and of course, you must have something with you like a carry-on bag or a beach bag or a backpack to carry your stuff. Like number one, off lotion, or a bug repellent spray. Number two, don't forget your sunblock. Make sure it's SPF 30 or higher. Number three, if you have a medicine kit with you, don't forget it. Like you have this Neosporin to go, Band-Aid or ointment, well, whatever you might need. Don't forget the Band-Aid, of course, it's especially Band-Aid, and a lotion, just to hydrate your skin. Your cell phone, your camera, and don't forget your battery, and of course memory card. Don't want to run out of memory while you are out on a cruise or you're out somewhere. So make sure you have a lot of memory card with you, and battery, of course. Don't forget your battery, and if you can bring a battery pack, that's gonna be good because you don't know if you forgot to charge your cell phone or your camera. At least you have something, or at least you have a backup. Reading materials. If you are doing nothing, if you are on the port or waiting, and you don't have internet connection, it is better to bring something like a reading material, anything that you can actually kill time and read, so you won't get bored. So bring something like a book or whatever, your favorite novel or whatever. If you want to learn something, bring anything. Just bring anything. Don't forget your highlighter. The highlighter, you need one thing for sure. When you out on a cruise, a lot of people on YouTube who went out on a cruise, they always say highlighter. So I don't know what it is for, but make sure to bring your own highlighter. Your personal toiletries. Of course, they provide shampoos and conditioners and soap and those kind of things, and you don't want, and I'm not sure if they provide toothpaste or toothbrush, but of course you don't want to use a public toothpaste or a public toothbrush. Huh? Why did I say that? Is there such a thing as public toothpaste and public toothbrush? I'm not even gonna use that. Ew! Normally, they would ask you to bring your own lanyard. Okay, but they also sell it here. But the thing is, you know how it is. Everything is expensive when you go out on cruise, and even the lanyard. So if you can go to like Walmart or any bookstore, and you can find this is what I got. See? Ta-da! It's not a lanyard, it's an ID card holder, but at least it's handy. But if you don't feel comfortable having it on your wrist or dangling around, just buy a lanyard where you can just hang in your neck, and it's easier for you to show it to the to the people or to the customs or when they port, because they will ask you for this. I don't know if they will ask me for if they'll ask for my passport or whatever, but I think this is good enough for them to show that you belong to this cruise. Okay, so don't forget about it. And there's more, so I'll be right back. I'm just gonna eat. We are totally so hungry now because we woke up late, so I'll see you later. Okay guys, nandito na ako sa room ko. I'm here inside my room, and it's just so nice. I wasn't expecting that it's gonna be this big, and it's gonna be, look, Ang ganda! Actually go out and sit there. I don't know what to say. Anyway, we're just gonna eat first because I'm really hungry. And we are here at the Lido, which is like what? The 10th floor or whatever they call 10th deck. So anyway, we're just gonna eat first. I don't know what to eat, but they said burger is actually good here, but we'll see. We'll try to check if whatever it is that they have here. And of course, you are on a cruise, so you have to try everything. Yeah, I'm gonna have this burger. Subukan ko siya kung masarap talaga siya kasi a lot of cruisers or people who go on cruise, they say this is actually the best burger. So, well, let's check. Let's see if it's really a good burger. Anyway, pasensya na kayo. It's really noisy around here because people are coming in and out of this, coming from the pool side and then going inside this. But I have to stay inside because it is really kind of noisy and a lot of people are just like, all partying. This cruise is actually a party cruise. Party! Their napkin is actually a napkin. Ewan ko, ano yata ito? Bimbo. This is the burger. See, if it's like, tell me if you can actually finish this one. But I think I can finish this one. So, okay, lamb time! You know what? I got my own chopsticks because I don't want to use this thing. This is still there. Let's try it. Try the bacon. No, it's actually bacon. Of course, try it. Oh. So good. Someone's slippers. Anyway, God, I think nasingan walwalan dito, and then after this deck is the walwalan area where you can actually smoke, where you can actually drink, and it's just for party. A lot of people here are doing their parties, and siguro if you really wanna enjoy. But the reason why I'm here is because I just wanna see it. Grabe, hilong-hilong na ako. Hindi ako. Kailangan ko ng trabaho. Or bonament, they call the Philippines. So check that way. They're actually teaching them how to dance. So should I go there or not? We'll just check and we'll see.
1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3. After that, so 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 to the side, 2, 3, 5, 6, step by 8, lock. Alright, so good so far. Alright, from here, all we're going to do is we're going to go to the side, we're going to head, okay? We're going to go to the side.
But I probably just go near them so I can get a good video.
3 ounces time.
Okay guys, let's see if we can go there and join them dancing. Do you want to join dancing? Or do you want to join them?
Turn it out. Be looking out for
Let's
part
go.
3. It's gonna be coming to you.
It's actually heavy. It's actually nice. Hey, Maka. Okay guys, if you are not into partying or just wanna be active, this deck actually, this is the highest deck and you can just play golf in here. So like, there you go. I'm playing golf right now, so let's see. I need to play more. I need to practice more. Yeah. I got it. I don't know what I call it because I'm not a golf player, but I think I did. I did good.
Turn up. Let's go.